My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
Yeah. So the question that I have is regarding the Loom video that we send to potential client, like a prospect. So do I have to build up like an entire website for them and then do a kind of a demo for each of them? Like I don't know, because I'm thinking maybe it's gonna be a bit heavy in terms of work, given we haven't closed them. So I don't know. I don't know if my
Oh,
question is clear.
yeah, so the questions about the Loom video, let me share my screen real quick and I'll just show you a quick example. But to answer your question, no, you don't have to make a Loom video for every single client. You just have to make one Loom video per niche. So in this example, this is for a nail salon. And I just made one nail salon video, and then I can send this same Loom video to every nail salon owner that I reach out to. And that's the beauty of like niching down is you have one niche, you're working with the same type of people every time, and you can use these hacks like this one to kind of just create one cool, very personalized type of outreach, and you can use this many times over. And so let me just play it real quick so y'all can see what it sounds like. But just wanted to show you all the website that we built for your nail salon. Obviously, this is a rough draft, so if you like it, we can put your branding, your logo, and all of your company's information on it. Or if you hate the look of it, we can completely redo it, redesign it, and make it however you guys want us to. We're really good with web design, so we can make anything happen for y'all. But I just wanted to show you guys a couple of the features that make our website stand out, stand apart, and help you guys ultimately make more money. So as we scroll down the page here, you can see some different fade effects and things like that just make the website look more professional. At the bottom right here, we have this little chat widget bubble where your leads can come, they can ask you questions, and as part of it, they have to put in their name, phone number, and email, and then they send that message in. This has automation tied to it, so our websites are not just static websites. They actually have follow-up that's automated for you. So when somebody sends this message, they're going to get a text and email, and they're going to be put into an email and text message drip sequence just to make sure that they end up coming in and end up becoming a paying client of your business. A lot of times with websites, they're very static. They have a form that we fill out, and then a lot of the leads are lost. And so we want to make sure that none of your leads are lost. And so we have this automated follow-up with this chat widget right here. Another thing, if you scroll up on the page. Anyway, I continue to cover the booking system that we can put on their website. And then I continue to cover, some of the SEO side of things. But yeah, and then at the end, I just kind of like sign off. Let's see what I say at the end here. We're showing you guys that we actually put in some effort for you before we're reaching out to you. We would love to earn your business, love working with you guys. And so hopefully we'll see you guys on the call soon. Peace. So just something like that, right? So just like a quick 2 minute, 3 minute video, I guess they play it at like 1.2 speed or whatever, it'll be quicker. But yeah, at the beginning, you noticed like I didn't say, I just said, hey, Jasper here with WebViews. Just wanted to show you all the website that we built for your nail salon. That's all I said. Hey, Jasper here. Just wanted to show you the website we built for your nail salon. I didn't say like their name. I didn't say who they were because now I can use this video over and over again. I've made it personalized but generic enough that it can be sent out to 1,000 different nail salons. I'm not actually putting their logo on it or anything. I'm not putting any of their personal business information on it. They know it's a rough draft, and I explained that at the beginning. Hey, this is a rough draft. If you hate it, we can do something completely different. I just wanted to show this to you as an example of what we could do for your business. So like, I think that's the best way to preface these Loom videos. But highly recommend them. They work really well with different types of outreach, whether you're cold calling, sending cold DMs, sending text messages to businesses, or cold email. Having a Loom video like this that you can have available to send to them at any time to show them the website is the best way to do it, rather than just sending them, a link like, this one we were looking at earlier. You just have like a blank link, a preview link or whatever that you could shoot over to somebody and send it, but they don't understand what's going on behind the scenes of this. They could see, okay, this looks like a cool looking site, right? But they don't understand everything that goes into it, how it's going to help their business. And so that's where a
Okay.
Loom video can much better do that because you can now talk over while showing the website. Anyway, that's probably pretty common sense. But anyway, that's why we do the Loom videos instead of just sending them a blank link. And
Yeah.
just another face, right? If you're cold calling, if you're sending a text message, those people don't know who you are yet. They've never heard from you before. This is the first time you're reaching out to them. Sending a video with your face at the bottom is just a good way to introduce yourself for them to get a face to the name, trust you a little bit more. It'll get them to much more at a higher percentage book more Zoom calls with you because they've already like gotten a quick introduction to who you are. So anyway, and then obviously in these videos, be like upbeat, you don't want to sound like a robot reading off a script, like just kind of like this one here. Just sound like I didn't really script this at all. I wasn't reading anything. I was literally just like talking about the website and how it's going to help their business. And that's all they care about is how we can help them grow and get more leads and customers and make more money. So
Okay.
anyway, great question though.
Oh, thank
Did
you.
that answer the question you asked? Was that what you were asking
Yeah.
about the videos?
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. That was the exact question.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.